Okay, we got a no heat call here at a house we have worked on once or twice, but I don't think we've worked on the bottom floor, and that's where they're having trouble now. Looks like there are Clemson fans here too. All right, let's go see what we can do for them. Okay, starting to look a little more familiar. This is the house where some of you may have seen the video of the furnace that was laying up on its back in the attic. And so we took it out and replaced it. And this is the one we have not worked on yet, but they have no heat. And oh boy, one of them old things. Must not have looked at it very closely before, or I would remember. So this is going to be a standing pilot furnace here. So sounds like we got blower. See if it'll light. All right, so couldn't find a lighter. I'll have to light it with that. Okay, let's light this thing. Yep, I hear it. I'm sure if I let off this now, it'll probably go out. So I'm gonna hold it a minute. It stayed lit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this thing fire up and watch it when the fan comes on. And make sure we don't see the flames dancing wild every which way. There we go. Okay, I'm going to turn this valve and open it. And we're going to watch the flame come on when I do. There we go. There's the burner by itself. Now we should be able to heat up the limit. There it comes. All right, let's try this again. So the burner needs to be taken out and cleaned, that's for sure. I see it kind of poofing when all of it's not lighting at once. But that first time I thought I saw a little flame dance. So I'm going to take the easy way out here. I'm not going to do what you guys would say I should do, a combustion analysis, dig out the testo and all that. I'm just going to go inside and, you know, take some carbon monoxide readings right on the supply vents. I'm going to let it burn a good bit, probably 15 or 20 minutes, and I'm going to go see what any of that does. And I'm just going to advise these people based on age alone, they really need to replace this furnace. But if they want it serviced, if they want me to take this burner out and clean it and everything, I'm going to have to inspect this heat exchanger. And you can do a good bit of it, you know, you can get to a good bit of it, but honestly, with the age, I think it's time for it to go. Definitely time for this thing to go.